everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday and I'm going to be doing my laundry. And I want to show you guys how I do my laundry here in France. So without further ado, let's go! So first thing first, I'm going to be separating these clothes into those little bags that I've just shown you.
Wow!
So the next step is that I'm going to be pouring some of my detergent into this cutie little thing because I don't want to carry all of this to the washing machine because it will be very heavy. So let's do it. Cheers! Just kidding. I just got my first one. We're going to be getting another bottle. So here's my little thingy thing. I'm ready to do my laundry now. Let's go! Okay, so it's time to go now. First thing first, I'm going to be checking if the washing machine in my residence is available or not. If not, I'm going to be using another one that I use all the time because when I go to do my laundry, it's always occupied. So today, yeah, I'm going to be checking it first. I'm going to be showing you guys too, and then if it's not, we're going to another place, but it's not far from here. Let's go. Okay guys, and here's the washing machine and the drying machine here in my residence. But due to the fact that I'm going to be washing my blanket too, I think I'm going to be using the 11 kilograms washing machine near where I live instead. Et après quelques minutes, je suis arrivée à la laverie. And it's very empty, guys. Okay, now how we do it? Okay, we put the coat and what wrong with your hair? Now we put the detergent where? Oh, we put it here. Okay, alright. Oh, you're too short. Okay, you put the first one and the second one. Are you finished? Okay, you finished now. And after that, you have to choose your temperature. There are lukewarm, hot, and sensitive. But I choose the hot one because I am hot.
Oh my god! Wow!
And after that, you have to come to pay your money because if you don't pay your money, the machine won't do the work for you.
Insérez votre moyen de paiement. N'oubliez pas votre ticket. Merci de votre visite.
And now it's working now, and you can also send a message to this number so it can tell you that it is almost done. So I'm going to go to buy some school supplies while waiting for it to be done, and then I'll come back to put my clothes in the dryer. And yeah, let's go.
A few moments later.
I'm right now at Oak Green. It's a park commercial which has 30 boutiques et 100 restaurants, 30 shops and 5 restaurants. And yeah, I come here often in the weekends. And I'm here at the Buho Valley shop. They have plenty of school supplies here. This is me carrying my stuff, heading back to the laundry. Guys, I was walking and then suddenly there was a guy in his car and he shouted out from his window saying, "Ciao everybody," or something like that. Guys, I'm thinking, should I get some KFC or should I go home? But I want some KFC though. Okay, now we shoot this one and I eat alone, so one person. I have to shoot between these two. Oh, it's so hard, but I go for that. Oh, and we have to shoot again. Eat today, I eat tomorrow.
A few moments later.
And now my clothes are ready. No girl, you have to go another way. Okay, good. And I am choosing hot again because I am hot.
N'oubliez pas votre ticket. Merci de votre visite.
Guys, because that I have loads of stuff here, I'm going to be taking my stuff to my room and then come back to get the clothes.
A few moments later.
This is my second time going to the laverie, but this time I'm going out only with my phone, my hand sanitizer, and my keys. Hello again. So I'm now finished for washing and drying my clothes and we're heading home again. So let's go. So I have arrived at my room now and can finally get to breathe. And I guess it is the end of the video now. I hope you guys liked it. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Au revoir.